online bookstore, live application. Let's clone this repository. Git clone. Go to into this folder online bookstore. Okay, all the file is here. Command same grep ci. It will scan your repository and upload your result to the dashboard. So and it is uploading the result. Everything is scan result onto the dashboard. Let's refresh the page. Yeah, and result is here. Project name is online bookstore. So and let's analyze the code. Okay, the first finding is a formatted SQL string. It's a SQL injection. Let's analyze the code. Is this finding is true positive or false positive? There is a result set rs ps.execute query. Whether this ps command is there, ps connection dot prepared statement. Okay, and the query name is get book by comma separated book id query. Okay, this is here. And the query is here. Here is a line of code where the automation tool is pointing for the vulnerability of SQL injection. So this one is the query. Let's analyze what will the PS. Prepared PS means prepared statement. In this query, the developer are already used prepared statement, and as per the recommendation to protect from the SQL injection, we have to use prepared statement, and in the code prepared statement is already used. So this finding is false positive. So let's mark this finding as a false positive finding. So let's select on this and box and tries. In the tries, we have to select false positive and give a comment. Okay. By this way, you can eliminate the false positive result from your scan. That's all for the now. We will come with the next video for the individual findings.